Are you looking for the most reliable and fuel-efficient bike in 2026? A bike that saves money, gives amazing mileage, and never lets you down? Then stay tuned, because today we are talking about the legend, Hero Splendor Plus. Hello friends, welcome back to SG Riders. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe, like, and press the bell icon so you never miss any latest bike updates and reviews. Motorcycle, bike overview. Today's video is all about the legendary Commuter bike. Backhand index pointing right Hero Splendor Plus. This bike has ruled the roads for years and is still one of the most trusted motorcycles in the market. High voltage, engine and performance. Splendor Plus comes with a reliable 100 cubic centimeters engine that is designed for daily use. It delivers smooth performance, perfect for city rides and short distances. The best part? It is extremely easy to handle, even for beginners. Fuel pump mileage, main highlight. This bike is known as the Mileage King crown. It can deliver around 60 to 80 kilometers per liter, depending on your riding style and road conditions. If you want to save fuel money every month, this bike is a perfect choice. Hammer and wrench, maintenance and reliability. Hero Splendor Plus is very low maintenance. Spare parts are easily available and cheap, and the engine is known for long life. That's why millions of riders trust this bike without any tension. Seat comfort and features. It offers a comfortable seat, smooth suspension, and lightweight body. Perfect for daily commuting, office going, and even long city rides. Simple, practical, and reliable. That's the identity of Splendor Plus. Money bag, value for money. If your budget is low and you want a strong, durable, and fuel-efficient bike, then this is one of the best value for money options available in 2026. Final verdict. So overall, the Hero Splendor Plus is not just a bike. It is a trustworthy companion for daily life. Mileage King heavy check mark. Low maintenance heavy check mark. High reliability heavy check mark. That's why it is still trending and loved by millions. If you like this video, then make sure to backhand index pointing right, like thumbs up. Backhand index pointing right, share, repeat button. Backhand index pointing right, and subscribe to SG Riders. Also press the bell icon so you never miss any new bike review. Waving hand outro. Thanks for watching. We'll meet you in the next video with another amazing bike review. Until then, take care and keep riding. Motorcycle fire.